Dear students, yesterday I have taught precursor of the INC, Indian National Congress, and many local labor organization that was framed before formation of the Indian National Congress. And today I would like to teach you formation of the Indian National Congress. Various political organizations mentioned earlier were local in character. I have taught you that they had no any pan-Indian character. However, their activities had prepared the ground for the creation of an all-Indian political association. While the Indian National Congress was set up, before Indian National Congress was set up, so I have just taught that many local organization came to existence, and that made the foundation for the Indian National Congress. The Indian Congress leader like Surendranath Banerjee, Dada Bhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tayyabji, Justice Ranade were moving towards the formation of all Indian political organization or political body. Luckily for them, help in this direction came from strange sources from A.O. Hume, a retired British member of the Indian Civil Services. He wanted to set up an organization that would draw the government's attention to the administrative drawbacks and suggest means to rectify them. Basically, one theory I would like to explain here that is very, very important. Safety valve theory. And safety valve theory is very, very necessary to understand. Lala Lajpat Rai given this theory. After revolt of 1857, British government was very much worried. If again this type of revolt took place, so that will be very dangerous. So they observed that if any international organization, any national organization will be there, so government can get feedback, means what is going on amongst the Indian society against the government. So British government will know, and after that government will be ready for any action. It is stated by Lala Lajpat Rai. Please pay attention. Now, Hume, about Hume, I would like to just, I have told you he was retired officer of civil service examination. Means by that examination he has been selected and he worked in India and he retired. After that he set up INC, Indian National Congress. So who founded Indian National Congress? Your answer will be there. A.O. Hume. Hume wrote an open letter to the graduates of the Calcutta University asking them to dedicate themselves to the service of the people by the forming a union to organize a well-defined course of action. This appeal produced the desired result. In 1884, Hume, in the consultation with the Indian leaders, laid the foundation of Indian National Union. The conference of the representative to the different part of India was convened by the Union at Pune on December 25, 1985. But what happened? Plague broke out in Pune at that point of time. So the meeting of the union was held in Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College. Name you should learn. Learning point is there. Mumbai. From December 28 to 31, 1885, under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee, and there were 72 delegates. Again, I am going to explain this topic. Who founded Indian National Congress, INC? Your answer will be there. A.O. Hume. The meeting of this union in earlier it was not Indian National Congress. It was Indian National Union. The title was Indian National Union, and meeting was going to held in Pune. But what happened? Flag broke out in that time in Pune. That's why place had been changed, and new place had been decided. That was Mumbai, and Tejpal Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College, Mumbai decided. And after that meeting held, and who was the president of the first session of the Indian National Union? Your name is there, W.C. Banerjee. And how many delegates were there? 72. Okay, so now till now it is Indian National Union, not Congress. On the suggestion of the Dada Bhai Nehruji, the name of the union was changed to the Indian National Congress. So dear students, you should understand this one. First one, it was Indian National Union. Question can be asked, on the suggestion of the which person the name of Indian National Congress has been changed, and it will be Indian National Congress. Your answer will be there, Dada Bhai Nehruji. Thus the foundation of the Indian National Congress was laid on December 28, 1885. The Viceroy Lord Dufferin. One more question is there. In the reign of which Governor General the Indian National Congress was founded? Your answer will be there, Lord Dufferin. Favored the formation of the Indian National Congress because he wanted it to act as a safety valve for popular discontent, thereby safeguarding to the British interest in India. The Congress stood for the hopes and aspirations of the people of India, who accepted it the leadership of the launching the freedom movement. It achieved the goal of freedom in 1947. Now, I would like to teach you formation. I think my words are understanding. Now, I'll teach you aim of the Indian National Congress. That is very, very necessary to understand this one. In the presidential address of the first session of the Indian National Congress, W.C. Banerjee declared the following aim and objectives of the Indian National Congress. First point, to promote a friendly relation between the nationalist political workers from different parts of the country, to develop and consolidate the feeling of national unity irrespective caste, color, creed, because you know this one, diversity was there, many ethnic groups, many religious groups, linguistic groups are living in our country. So second point, okay, was how to develop a feeling of unity irrespective caste, color and creed, the formulate popular demand and present them before the government. What do you mean by the popular demand? Popular demand means which demand is very necessary for each and every person of India. And some example I will mention, then you understand. First example, to provide job opportunity to Indians, irrespective caste, color, creed, to provide, to boost up a irrigation system and spread education far and wide, and land revenue tax was very high, so that should be decreased. So these demand will be known as popular demand. And to train and organize public opinion in the country, means government should provide opportunity and government should give training to Indian people. By that only they will be trained for local self-government, okay, and other political organization, so and so. Dear student, after that only 2 points I would like to teach you. First session of the Congress that was held in Mumbai, Tejpal Sanskrit College I have taught you, and headed by W.C. Banerjee, that is first. Second one, second conference, second session also given in your syllabus, and that was held in Kolkata, and that time President of Indian National Congress was Dada Bhai Nehruji. So only these points are very very important, and again I am going to repeat this one, and after that I will conclude my lecture today also. Well, okay, first two session of the Indian National Congress given in your syllabus. First session was held in Mumbai, headed by W.C. Banerjee. Second session of the Congress was held in Kolkata, headed by Dada Bhai Nehruji. And what are the objective? Regarding objective, I would like to mention here. Any point I have not taught, that to get Swaraj, to get freedom, to start agitation against the British government, to fight with the British government, these words I have not used when aim and objective I have taught. Dear students, you should understand that our founder member of the Indian National Congress were higher educated. They were product of the Cambridge and Oxford University, and lawyers, advocates, teachers, professionals were there, and they were Western educated personality. They were very much knowing that British government is very powerful. And if as at in initial stage we are going to start any agitation against the British government, so very soon government will suppress us and you will be in jail, we can be killed, whatever. So first their target was there, how to create unity amongst the Indian and how to develop sentimental bond amongst the Indian. Means how to develop political awareness, political sensibility, and love for own nation, means nationalism. When these things will be occurred, so that day will be last day of British colonial empire. So that's why they had not made their aim and objective that British government will leave India, whatever. Okay, so later I'll teach you. Okay, after 1905, the Congress demanded Swaraj, and after 1929, means when Lahore session was passed, after that the goal of Congress was freedom, complete Purna Swaraj or freedom. That will be explained by me later, don't worry. So here objective should be very very clear. There is no any demand of Swaraj or Purna Swaraj or freedom, whatever. Only government wanted to get privilege, some benefit from British side, okay, and they wanted to create political awareness, political sensibility, political enlightenment amongst the Indian, unity amongst the Indian, okay, and they wanted to create, okay, feeling of oneness amongst the Indians. Now dear student, today only this much, and next day I will come with another video. Thank you.